down into a twirl, nice and smooth. And we're going to twirl for 8 counts in this hand. And when you're twirling, again, I said I wasn't going to go into basics. I'm holding the cane between my thumb and my pointer finger here. And I'm holding it rather loosely. The cane is sitting in this pocket, and when I twirl, I'm kind of letting it rotate in there. The main point I want to make, no death grips on the cane. We are not grabbing the cane in a fist. If you do that, you can't get the rotation that you need out of the wrist. You've kind of got to let the cane just rotate in that little groove of your hand. So, okay, back to business. Twirling for 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now you're going to tap yourself while you turn backwards. Tap the shoulder, tap the hip, tap the shoulder, tap the hip.